Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 185E. It is 3 boxes of 2015 certified football hobby. Good luck. This is an eBay break. Basically, what you bid on was a business card. This is the business card you will get if you paid on time, which everybody did. Thank you so much. You'll get all the cards that come out of these 3 boxes for your teams with your names next to it on the left-hand side of the screen. That being said, a few simple rules. If a multiplayer card comes out and you own a majority of the teams, you will get the card. If there's no majority owner, it will go to random. If a card comes out in question, first and foremost, I will use a checklist. This is easy to find a checklist for, so I shouldn't have an issue. But my second rule of thumb is, let's say it's in a Giants uniform, but on the bottom, top, side, wherever, it says the Browns. On the back, it says the Browns or has the Browns logo. It would go to the Browns. It's not the jersey, the card. Name on the front and back. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. If somehow I pull Panini points, they'll be random off to everybody in the break. The 2 teams in yellow, the Bills and Skins, are mine. They did not sell. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Good luck. All cards do ship, and this will go to YouTube at the end of the night. Here we go. Good luck. Box 1. This is the first 3 boxes from a case. That being said, I will be listing more of these eventually on eBay. Actually, I'm probably going to do more for next week. That being said, the hot box is still in play. So, good luck. Here we go. Box 1. There's the draft picks box for those that entered the contest. Since I'm about to lose this contest to this new rookie quarterback. Empty. All right, here we go. Good luck. Just, he better have a serious plan of attack. Gruden, that is. He ruined this whole team. I'm like seriously stunned on how bad he ruined it. I mean, I understand you might want pick number 1, but man. After this is the 2017 Classics. All right, here we go. Good luck. All right, can you see? Sweet. Low camera. Yep, we're good. These are super shiny. Let me see if I can fix this light if it helps. All right, good luck. I'm not reading all the names. I'll stop at the cool stuff. Anything that's numbered. All this is recorded, like I said, and goes on YouTube. That, I believe, is a hit. Of course, I'm wrong. It's been a while since I opened this. Out of $4.99, we have a Darren Smith for the Bengals. We have an insert Deion Sanders for the Cowboys, Legends. Kids Reporter card. We have a out of $9.99, Brandon Sheffer for the Skins. Nobody cares. And we have a Stars card insert for the Sea Chickens. Russell Wilson. Kids Reporter. We have a Gold Team Des Bryant for the Cowboys. That would be a hit behind it. Kids Reporter. Let's do the hit. Good luck. Goes this way. It is a rookie jersey patch for the Rams. Sean Mannion out of $7.99. 210, $7.99. The Rams are Walt. You're feeling it. You're still feeling it. Congrats, Walt. Hang on. I'm just checking. All right. Andy Dalton. We have a red parallel for the Panthers out of 99. Jonathan Stewart. Panthers are Cosmo. And we have a skills card, Tom Brady. What's up, Brian? Ryan, the first hit was a jersey patch rookie of Sean Mannion for the Rams. Just so you're caught up. Kids Reporter. Hopefully you heard that. If not, I'll repeat it. Cruz, Macklin, Deshaun Jackson skills card. We have a blue parallel rookie out of 50 for the Ravens. Nick Boyle. That is out of 50. Ravens is Kevin W. If you guys pick the Niners, you're in good shape tonight with this new rookie quarterback. Because I suck at this. Eli Manning, insert stars card for the Giants. Kids Reporter. 3 hits to go in this pile. Sub 2 broke. Crabtree. Wait, I was going to start reading all these names. What the hell am I doing? All right, we have a hit right there, so I'm going to save him. Out of 199, we have a Melvin Gordon, red parallel rookie for Ryan. Well, there we go. I walked right into it. We have a auto of John Brown out of 150 for the Cardinals. That is Ashley. 142 of 150. Certified signatures. How you doing, Go Eagles? Yeah, all those I did already. I'm trying to keep my numbers separate. Kids Reporter. We have a Bryce Petty rookie gold team for the Jets. Dartboard man. We have a insert Brett Favre Legends card for the Packers. Kids Reporter. I'm pretty sure that's what I think it is coming. Marshall. RG, we need a knee. And it is. Give me a half second. I'll do that card in a minute. Steve Smith Sr., McCaffrey, or McFadden, sorry. Out of $9.99. Tony Lippett for the Dolphins. Blank card. We have a Matt Ryan Stars card, Kids Reporter. And this is what I happen to see. Ryan Mallett, and it goes this way. We have a green parallel rookie, Noah Alexander for the Bucks. That is a 1 of 5. You don't like him, McFadden? Who got the Bucks? Dominic. Congrats. 1 of 5. Now that would have been great if it had ink. Still a nice card. Trying to stay away from the RPA, but we'll see. Kids Reporter. We have a Ryan Tannehill out of $4.99 for the Dolphins. And our hit is a rookie, a good rookie. It is out of $7.99, Marcus Mariota jersey patch. That is Willie R. Congrats, Willie. McFadden ain't no cowboy. He ain't on that team no more. Congrats to Willie. And good luck. Our last hit of box 1. Kids Reporter. Pruitt out of $9.99, sorry, for the Vikings. And the RPA. What a time to throw darts. Out of $7.99, Cosmo, 3-color patch, Jeremy Langford. That's sick. Congrats, Cosmo. All right, box 2. Good luck. You know, Cosmo, honestly, you've done real well in this room, I think. Really, I think you have. Empty. I swear, every time every now and then you just stop and boom, take a few teams, boom, and run away with the hits. It's awesome. Maybe not to everybody else, but I think it's funny. I don't know how you do it, but whatever your strategy is, it works. All right, box 2. Good luck. For those that missed the beginning of the break, this was the first 3 boxes from a fresh case. I'll be listing more up on eBay this week for next week. The hot box is still in play, unless we find it tonight. All right, good luck. Box 2. I believe 8 hits, if I remember right. It's been a while. Well, but I know it's 1 per case. They're like fire cards or something. All right, good luck. Box 2. Nick Boyle out of 4.99 for the Ravens. Mikey Evans skills card for the Bucks. Kids Reporter. We have a gold team. Aaron Rodgers for the Pack. We have a Devis Bryant Stars card. The Cowboys. Kids Bryant or Chris Bryant. Kids Reporter. We have a Chris Bryant card and a football box. Sorry. Thomas, Bridgewater, and Tannehill. That would be 1 hit. That'd be 2 hits. This might be the hot box. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Good luck. We have a Matt Ryan out of 4.99 for the Falcons. We have a Legends card of Urlacher, Kids Reporter. For the Dolphins, we have a red parallel out of 99, Marino. Blank card. Teddy B Stars card. We have a rookie Devontae Parker gold team for the Dolphins. Kids Reporter. We have Alfred Morris Stars card red parallel out of 199 for the Skins. Trey Waynes rookie auto out of 150 for the Vikings. That is Dominic. Nice card. Trey Waynes rookie auto. Kids Reporter. I do not believe this is the hot box now. We're too deep into it. Out of $9.99, PJ Williams, rookie for the Saints. Kaepernick, insert skills card. Kids Reporter. This dude. Oh, the Sheriff. We have a Vincent Jackson out of $4.99 for the Bucks. I can't win with K Watts. Out of $7.99, we have a jersey patch of Kevin White, rookie for the Bears. That is Cosmo. Congrats, sir. You got Langford and you got Kevin White. Kids Reporter. For the Bears, we have Mike Ditka out of $9.99. Immortals. Blank card. Matthew Stafford, Stars card. Kids Reporter, and your 2 hits are coming. Good luck. That is a Patterson, and this would be a sick card. Here we go. 3-color patch, RPA 14 of 25. Jamison Crowder, a rookie. RPA for the Skins. Oh, hell yeah, that's me. Congrats to me for once in my life. Sorry, guys. I did try to sell them. And the last hit. Good luck. Kids Reporter. What are y'all doing? Eating your ice cream? Jeff Harmon, rookie, out of $9.99. And our other hit, no way. Goes this way. Sorry, guys. It is a jersey patch of Matt Jones out of $7.99 for the Skins. Really? I seen that Fire Stick. They are tearing it up. I am seriously going down. This is between Walt, Dan, and Go Eagles and 2 broke. There's so many broke people. All right, good luck. Last box. Then we go to classics. But actually, you know what? The best thing that could happen is the 49ers score like 100 points. Then I do have a chance. That's right. If they go over, empty. Get like 20 touchdowns. They did score, didn't they? Hell yeah, get like 20 more touchdowns. Wow. The hell's the score now? Is that 25? 24? Is anybody awake besides Firestick? $24-3. I got it. I just heard it. Anybody have the 49ers and higher than 24 right now? If so, what's the high numbers on the 49ers for the win and the high score? didn't expect them to score that much. You had the Niners at 17 tops. Can you look at Walt? What did you have? You had the Raiders and two broke. What about you? All right, here we go. There's a Romo. That's an important card. Congrats, Walt. Sorry. Out of 499, Shane Ray, rookie. Skills card, Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Kids Reporter. We have a John Elway out of 999 for the Broncos. We have a Stars card, Johnny Manziel for the Browns. Kids Reporter. Upside down, Andrew Luck. We have out of 999, Randy Gregory rookie for the Cowboys. And I didn't expect to walk into that, but I did. It is a hit. Jersey patch for the Packers, rookie Ty Montgomery out of 799. Wasn't he just traded? This goes to Kevin, though. Congrats, Kevin. I think this guy was just traded, but the hell do I remember? This is another Kids Reporter card. That should be a hit. So I'll set it there. Hunter Benjamin. Brandon Cooks out of 499 for the Saints. We have a Legends card, Joe Montana. He went to the Ravens. Gotcha. Kids Reporter. Out of 99 for the Texans, Kevin Johnson, rookie. Congrats to the Texans. Blank card. We have a Derek Carr Stars card. If he could actually score some points, that'd be good tonight. Kids Reporter. We have a Gold Team rookie, Jamal Charles. Sorry, no, not a rookie. Gold Team Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. That does look to be a hit. So I'll put it there for now. All right. For the Bears, out of 499, Mike Ditka. We have a rookie auto for the Bills, Nick O'Leary out of 150. Certified potential. Really? He just got sacked? This is seriously. Even I'm telling you it's rigged. This is seriously rigged. The hell. All right, Kids Reporter. There's Derek Carr again. Out of 999 rookie, Kenny Bell. Peyton Manning skills card. Kid Reporter, whatever. We have a Nelson, AJ Green, and a Marcus Mariota rookie gold team. That is Willie R. Blank card. We have a Bortles Stars card. Kids Reporter, Kids Reporter. Good luck. 2 hits to go. I'll save the RPA since I think I know where it's going. Yep. Was close. Kids Reporter. We have a DeMarco Murray. Oh man, he does suck, doesn't he? For the Eagles. And our hit is not Giovanni Bernard. Giovanni Bernard is out of 499. And here comes the hit. Good luck. It is a rookie jersey patch of Melvin Gordon out of 799 for the Brewers. Congrats to the Brew Crew on that one. Congrats, Ryan. Nice card. And the final hit of the rigged break, unfortunately. Kids Reporter. But congrats to the person that gets the card. Blake Bortles goes this way. RPA 2-color patch that looks to be part of his number. Out of 599, Devin Funch's 2-color patch. Congrats, Cosmo. That's sick. All right. Now, when you see the classics list coming up, there's only 4 teams left. Please make sure I don't have any of them. Funch's RPA. Jersey patch, Melvin Gordon rookie. Nicolari rookie auto. A Ty Montgomery rookie jersey patch. A Matt Jones rookie jersey patch. A 3-color RPA Jamison Crowder. A Kevin White jersey patch. A Trey Waynes rookie auto. A Jeremy Langford 3-color RPA. A jersey patch of Mariota. Alexander number card 1 of 5, super low numbered for the Bucks. A John Brown rookie auto and a rookie jersey patch of Sean Mannion. And that concludes break number 185E. Let me stop the recording and I will get set up for classics. Thank you guys for the fill.